love that morning coffee. Wow. That is so pretty. So masculine.
Look at that.
Look at that cord. Wow. My camera's dirty. That's beautiful teak. That's gonna look so much better because the countertops and stuff. Forget that box. Alright, I'll keep you guys updated when he's finished. He's gotta cut it. What is this? Oh, that's one of those. Good, you finally got one.
Don't fall.
I just rolled my ankle on your amazing cord.
I'm sorry.
Okay, bye. Let me see the brackets. Okay. Show me how they work before we put the countertop on them. Oh my gosh. It's genius. Okay, guys. The Memorial Day project. You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Whoa. Look at this. Check it out. Hold on. There's my spice rack. Check this out. Oh my gosh. My husband is the best. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? This is teak wood. Sorry, my allergies are really bad today. My voice is froggy. So I am going to put on food grade cutting board oil. It's going to really absorb, people. Now watch how gorgeous this will get. Look at this. Look at this teak wood. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Now you got to keep applying this because it needs to absorb. Even though teak wood is naturally oily, I still would oil it if I were you. This is the best wood to use on boats, any outdoors, furniture. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, isn't that stunning? Now, he ordered these brackets off of Amazon. They hold 150 pounds. These are the release right here. You click them both and it goes down. But I'm going to keep it up because I'm going to keep oiling it. Look at this teak wood. Oh my gosh. Can you even? I'm going to do more. Let it absorb. Oh gosh. Look at that. Oh, that is a work of art right there. So there is our countertop. That looks way better, doesn't it? That is beautiful. Oh. Wow. All right, guys. There it is. There's the brackets. You can order them on Amazon. They lock automatically, and then you can release them by pushing this on each side, and it drops right down. All right, I'll see you on the next episode. Job well done, Mr. No Madness.